cut it. We're gonna shape out the afro a bit, and we're gonna style it because you can see it's so dry right now. I've been doing the ice pick taper a lot recently. I'm not rocking it with it anymore because the way it grows in is just so annoying and this doesn't look good. So I think I'm gonna go with like a mid taper, low taper. I still haven't tried the high taper with this, but I do like having a bit of bulk in this area right here. Damn, this shit mad light. This is why I like having bulk right here, because this shit mad light, bro. Bless you! If you want to learn how to do any of these type of haircuts I'm about to do, we got tutorials everywhere, all across the YouTube channel. So definitely be sure to check those out because this video is not going to be a tutorial. You see that little spot, bro? What is this? Hopefully it's not too blurry on here. I know the fade's blurry, but I don't want the the quality to be blurry too. Clean. It's better than that mushroom look that I was having for a bit. I think once I do the back, it'll look a lot more better, because right now it kind of looks like a mohawk. Back isn't too crazy. If you've seen the back tutorial, you want to split it in half, do one side, and then do the other side. Probably gonna start with the right side, this side, so y'all can see it clearly, get a better idea of what I mean. So. Just a little part of me, bro, I'm like, it might be time for the facial hair to go. Like, no mustache, no beard. Everyone's rocking this combo now, bro. I'm not saying I want to be different. I mean, obviously, a little bit. I know I could do the beard, but the mustache is like the one that's like, I don't know if I want to, bro. I don't know if I'm really down for that. Damn, this front taper, it just seems like it gets bigger every time. Hold on. I hate when like extra hair gets pulled into it that doesn't need to be like down here. I mean, obviously on the corners I might need a little extra because your boy is thinning on those areas, but I don't know. You know what? Fuck it. We're doing it. Oh no. Oh, this feels weird. Oh. Mustache too now? Oh, this one looks so weird. Alright. Oh, this feels weird. Oh, I feel so naked, bro. Jeez. I look like a little ass. This is so weird. Now the final step to this whole routine is making sure that the fro is no more dry and looks good. First product, obviously you need some water. We need the hair damp in order for this to look good. I like to use cold water. I feel like, I don't know what it is about cold water. Cold water just does something to your hair. I don't know how, I don't know why. That my upper lip is like this, bro. I can't even lie. It just feels weird talking. It's like, am I overdoing my top lip? Like, I don't know. This feels weird. I feel like a fossil. I feel like a Barbie doll right now. Like, this feels weird. I miss doing this. Don't get me wrong. I really do miss this. Damn. And the hair used to just be there, and I used to be like, damn. Now it's just straight chin. Or even going like this, like. See, I can't do that. I can't even show off the hairstyle. I can't do anything now. It's just nothing there, bro. But yeah, this is the cut. Nice, clean, mid-taper. What could I ask for, bro? What could you ask for? I went a bit too high in the back, but it still looks smooth. It still look good. But yeah, you can see like the look I was going for. It doesn't feel like it's like a mushroom on the sides. It's like pushed up and out, but not in a way where it's like condensing it too much and making it look like a flat top. It could look like a flat if I push it in more. That's that self-cut routine. Nice, quick, simple, easy. It's been Nathan Xavier. I'm gonna see y'all next week with a new routine.